What is up, crypto fans, and welcome back to another valuable cryptocurrency video today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my crypto picks of this year and what my portfolio is looking like for 2022. My portfolio is very diverse, as I feel diversity and variability amongst cryptocurrencies that you're holding and altcoins that you're holding in your portfolio is great for a variety of outcomes or narratives in the crypto space, because guys, nobody really knows where it's going to go. Some people think it's going to go down the ZK rollups route, some people think it's going to go down the metaverse route, and some people think it's going to go to more NFTs, but we really don't know. So I think it is important to diversify, and that is why most of the crypto coins on this list are on different blockchains. I'm talking about the four main largest contributors to my own personal portfolio in my 2022 year, and what I'm going to be holding for this year of 2022. Guys, these are for a long-term holding strategy, so they are not going to make you 100x or 150x or 1000x gains overnight. They're long-term, more safe and more reliable cryptocurrencies. I'll be measuring the worth of these cryptocurrencies that I've got in my portfolio from a criteria consisting of utility, vision, innovation, team, size, and technology. And just one last note before I get into the first coin: this is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form, and I'm not a financial advisor at all. Also, you may have heard of some of these coins before, so if you have heard of them and you know everything about them and you know I hold them already, then skip ahead in the timestamps or the time chapters below to the other coins in this list. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so starting off this list, we're going to be talking about Polygon. Polygon is the largest and my most favorite coin of 2022, and it is the largest contributor to my portfolio for 2022. It is such a great coin. It is innovative, its technology is great, it's got a great team behind it, and it's really driving the utility side of cryptocurrencies with the fact that it is built on the Ethereum layer 2 blockchain, meaning it has zero gas fees and is perfect for the scalability of Ethereum, but it still has Ethereum's huge network of contacts, blockchain, ledgers, smart contracts, and everything else. This means Polygon is basically Ethereum, but much faster, much cheaper, and overall more efficient. And the biggest reason for Polygon being on this list, as I already said, was its innovation, and specifically its tech, how it's built on the second layer of blockchain, as I already said, but it is just so much superior to any other competitors of Ethereum like Avalanche or Solana or Cardano, even though Cardano, guys, sneak peek for later in this video, is on this list. And it is so important to the next narrative of crypto, or one of the next predicted narratives of crypto, because guys, most cryptos revolve around Ethereum. And the whole market of crypto really revolves around the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum blockchain is the most adopted, most used blockchain in the world. So with it down, with it being super slow, with the gas fees being astronomically high, we are going to have to move to a better, faster, more efficient system and blockchain. And the guys waiting at the door with the solution are Polygon. And that's why Polygon is so great for the next narrative of crypto. So for my price prediction, I'm saying that Polygon can reach easily $15 by the end of this year of 2022, and even maybe $20 to $25 if we're lucky and if everything goes as planned, because you should see their roadmap. It is crazy. I'll leave the link to their website in the description below. Decentraland is one of the best cryptos in the world out right now, and that's why it holds the second largest stake in my crypto portfolio. It's so dominant in the space that it just has to be listed on this list. The other big narrative of crypto and crypto's future that I was mentioning earlier in this video was the narrative of NFTs and metaverses. With Facebook changing their name to Meta and every other company doing their little bit to get into the metaverse space of the internet, with Decentraland being the leading metaverse company and the leading NFT company for NFTs in the metaverse, it is almost a no-brainer to have some stake in the company, whether it be with their NFTs or their actual cryptocurrency called Mana. Basically, Decentraland is the Facebook or Apple or Amazon of the new metaverse industry. And guys, trust me on this one, the metaverse industry, whether you like it or not, whether you are scared of it or happy and excited for it, is definitely going to be the future. And with everybody saying that metaverses are going to be the future, including me, as I just said, the ultimate success of metaverses will be paired with the ultimate success of Decentraland, and therefore the ultimate success of your portfolio if you're holding it. Obviously, the tech now for their metaverse and the Decentraland metaverse is much to be improved and is not that great right now. But when tech gets better over time, and eventually tech just will get better, they will explode in wealth. And if you're holding the metaverse or mana NFT or coin, you will explode in wealth too. So how big of this explosion in wealth will it be? Well, my price predictions for mana or Decentraland cryptocurrency are going to be 3x within the year. So I reckon it can easily get up to heights of $15 to $20 by 2023. Okay, so moving on to the third cryptocurrency on this list, it is called Theta. I haven't talked about the Theta coin or company on this channel for a while, but it was actually one of the first coins I started talking about on this channel, and it is one of my most bullish coins, and that's why it holds 20% of my whole crypto portfolio. Theta is a company built on a blockchain that helps improve streaming much better, making it much more efficient, cheaper, faster, and overall better. Okay, so moving on to the fourth and final crypto in my portfolio, it is called Cardano. You guys may have guessed this, but Cardano is still a great coin despite the recent downfall that it's had in this crypto bear market, but it is still a great coin and still has so much more room to grow. Cardano is one of the most developed and worldwide used cryptos in the world, with its blockchain being used everywhere throughout Africa, especially to help schools improve their documenting and schooling systems, which is great to see as well. And it will also help with financial systems around the world as well. The technology behind Cardano is also unmatched, like it is with Polygon, and is a competitor to Polygon as well. So yeah, it's one of my favorite coins out right now and is going to be doing bits this year in the next narrative of scaling Ethereum. They've got so many goals and their team is so great, with Charles Hoskinson, one of the biggest and oldest founders in the crypto space and pioneers of crypto as a whole. Their plans for the future in Africa are amazing and so worldwide, and their vision is great. So this company is really doing bits, as I said before. So my price prediction for this coin is $6 by the end of this 2022 year. Let me know if you agree with it in the comments below. Okay, so guys, that was about it for today's video. I just wanted to keep it short with 4 of my top coins that I'm keeping in my portfolio this year. If you agreed with some of the coins, then make sure to leave that comment down below. Otherwise, I'll settle for a like, and if you really found value in this video at all or think that it was good, then thanks and subscribe. Okay, bye.